Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I am going to share with you my birthday look. I was getting ready for my birthday to go out for a dinner and I just decided to record the look for you so that I can show you how I actually do my makeup in person when I am not on camera or showing you a tutorial. So this is the exact same look and it was my birthday actually 11th of July, but I am posting it a little bit later because I had to edit and all that jazz. So yeah, this is a beautiful matte like plum toned brown smoky eye look and I hope you guys enjoy. I will share with you my outfit details at the end of the video, so please stay tuned for that. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then please take a moment to subscribe. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm starting with my brows, and for that I'm using my Brow Code USA Brow Pomade in the shade Deep Brown. And this product, you guys, it is so good. I think I have shared with you tutorial using this product. It is so good. And now I am priming my eyelids using my Milani concealer in the shade 135. And now I am blending everything out using a damp beauty sponge. This is my beauty blender, and yeah, I'm just blending it out. To set the concealer in place, I am taking my E.L.F Hello Glow setting powder in the shade medium, and I am just setting the concealer in place so that it does not move around at all. And I am applying these eyeshadow shields which I got from Amazon. And now I am taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and I am kind of drawing a rough wing. I'm going to smudge it so it doesn't have to be perfect. And the brush that I'm using is from Morphe. This is the Morphe 2500 brush. And I am taking this particular shade called Chip from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, and I am just smudging out the eyeliners. For today's video, I decided to use the products that I actually trust, that I know would work out for me and that would never let me down, and this palette is one of those. I trust these palettes. I just love the formula of both of the Jaclyn Volume 1 and Volume 2 palettes, and I know that no matter what, the shadows will blend out perfectly. It would never look powdery or patchy at all. I'm applying the same shade on my outer V area as well, just to smoke it out further. And now I am taking the shade called Jack. It's a beautiful like warm brown shade, and I am stamping it all over on my eyelid. And this brush is from Morphe. This is Morphe M514 brush, I believe. I will link it in the description box down below. So for today's look, I wanted something very elegant and something that is matte. For some reason I wanted to create a matte look, and that's why I just decided to go with the shade, and I think it matched my outfit perfectly. Now I'm mixing this orange shade and this brown shade together called Butter, and I am blending out the edge of the previous shade just to give it a nice like smooth gradient look. And with my Essence eyeliner, I am just drawing a wing here, and with that smoky eyeliner and this eyeliner, I think it looked really nice, and I kind of pictured the look in my mind before creating it. I spotted a similar look somewhere on Instagram a long time ago, and I wanted to recreate it, and this is the exact same look that I had in my mind. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and for that I am using my Wet n Wild Primer Serum, and I'm just priming my entire face. My skin is super duper dry, and this particular product gives me that extra boost of hydration, glow, and it also gives my face a little bit of tackiness. For my color corrector, I'm using my favorite L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange and Yellow color correctors, and I mixed them in 3:1 ratio, and I am just applying it wherever I have pigmentation, dark spots, acne spots and dark circles. It will help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and my foundation will not look grayish in color. For my foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Sand, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp sponge. Again, I chose this foundation because it gives me a beautiful natural finish. It also gives me an excellent coverage. It never looks cakey or heavy at all. It never emphasizes any texture, and it lasts all day long. And for my dry skin, this is like one of the best foundations that I have ever tried, and I knew that this foundation would never let me down. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, around my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, and on the center of my forehead. And now I'm just blending everything out again using the same damp sponge. Again, this particular concealer is my absolute favorite. It gives me full coverage, like straight up full coverage. It blends beautifully. It does not crease easily at all, and I have some lines underneath my eyes. It does not settle on those lines as well. So if you haven't tried this concealer yet, I highly suggest you to try it. I'm sure you are going to love it. And I just decided to do a little bit of cream contour, and for that I'm taking my MAC Studio Tech foundation in the shade NW44 or 46. I will mention it in the description box down below, and I'm just cream contouring. I recently shared with you a bridal makeup tutorial using all MAC Cosmetics products, and I shared with you how beautiful this product is. It is technically a cream to powder formula. It's a foundation, but the shade and the formula works really well as my cream contour, and I often use it. This formula reminds me a lot of Huda Beauty Tantour. Since technically it's a foundation, it lasts all day long. I am telling you, this is a bomb product. If your budget permits you and if you can get this product, definitely check it out. It is a perfect product for beginner as well. I'm just getting rid of all the creases. Now I'm going to follow a step that I never show on camera, but I always do when I'm getting ready, and I'm just spritzing my face with my makeup setting spray before going in with my powder. And I am setting my under eye area as well as my smile lines using the same E.L.F Hello Glow setting powder. This technique works if your makeup tends to crease easily and does not last, if you are sweaty, or if you have oily skin, creasing problem. Try this method. Set your cream products in place before going in with powder, and it will give you the perfect smooth flawless finish ever. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and I am just warming up my complexion to have that warmth to my face. I am super duper tan right now, so my foundation is a little bit lighter. I needed to balance that out. For my blush, I am taking again my favorite. This is my Colourpop Super Shock blush in the shade Growth Flirt. This is again a very long lasting formula. It lasts all day long, and it, I think, matched that eye look perfectly. For my highlighter, I am using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face like my cheekbones, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as the center of my forehead. I'm just setting my entire makeup one last time using the same L.A.Girl setting spray, and I am going to finish my eye makeup next. And for that, first I'm tight lining using my Milani eyeliner pencil in the shade After Dark, and then taking that dark brown shade that I applied on my outer V area, I'm smudging out my entire lower lash line. Taking my lid shade, I'm just smoking out the border of the previous shade, and now I am highlighting my inner corners as well as my brow bones with the same Precious Petals highlighters. And I am curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. I will be using falsies off camera. And now I'm just lining my lips using my Wet n Wild lip liner pencil in the shade Lay Down the Mauve. And for my lips, I'm using again my favorite. This is my MAC Satin lipstick in the shade Retro. Such a beautiful warm nude shade, and I think it was a perfect shade for that eye look. And that is pretty much it. Here is the completed look, and here is my outfit. My bag is from Calvin Klein. My shoes are from Forever 21, and the dress that I'm wearing, it is from Marshalls. My husband gifted it. And what do you guys think about this look? Please let me know. I truly loved it, and I think it complemented my outfit and the whole aesthetic that I was going for. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me video. And if you're not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. So yes, see you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.